Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we're in our Clear Lake project, and today I'm going to show you another part of the house that we're renovating. Here we have the Jack and Jill bathroom, and as you can see the before. It's very old cabinetry and outdated tile. So in this bathroom, we are keeping the boxes and we're going to be refacing the doors to give them a nice updated look. We are also going to be installing some nice vessel sinks with wall mount fixtures, as you can see here in the rendering. And if we come this way, this is where the tub shower is. They wanted to keep a tub in this house for grandkids and things. So we're gonna just be giving them a new tub, of course, new tile, beautiful fixtures. So same here on this side with this part of the Jack and Jill bath. We're keeping the boxes and giving them a nice updated door look with new hardware. Beautiful new countertops and wall mount sink fixtures. And we're gonna be using the same countertop material as an accent behind the mirrors. That's gonna go all the way up on both sides. So that's gonna be really beautiful. So that's it for this part of this house renovation. Stay tuned for more from this project.